touch away. You have to give me an explanation. Why are you touching my face? Are you scratching? Are you scratching me? Are you trying to take out my eye? Are you trying to take out my eye?
Alright, me tired now. Oh, so yeah, the question I asked. Who does this young boy look like? Yeah,
He looks like nobody. He looks like himself.
Looks like himself now?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Yeah,
No,
face reveal has been out, so boss is here. You see it, so
Yeah, but
when
he's
they make
not
some
showing.
food for them, Alisa
Is that the face reveal yet?
face reveal gone already, Jamie.
Yes, it is. No,
Stop
it
cover up in
isn't.
face. Stop cover up in face.
It's his face reveal
Seriously.
hasn't come.
Stop cover up in face. So Jamir, what are you doing right now?
Cutting some skin for my mouth
Okay.
to have a mouth. Skin always
So-
makes you have a mouth.
He's making his hot dog and rice.
No,
That's
it's
what
not
he
hot dog
wants.
and rice. It's skin. Oh.
Nice. Go closer. Go lower. Go low, 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 go low. Yeah. Scrape it
Where?
on the side of the pot. Inside. Yeah, inside. Yeah. Scrape it. Yeah. Go closer. Stop running for you. Now burn it. Knock it off. Knock it off in there. Yeah. Hold the handle. Shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah. Use the spatula. Yeah. Good. Careful. Yeah. Shake it. Take your time. Shake it. Go closer. Go closer to hey. So you can see inside of the pot.
It's a hot dog on
Stop, stop. Oh my God almighty. Back up, back up, back up. Too much. Jesus. Actually, back up. Put it in. Put close
Do
it.
you have
Close
to
it.
take out some?
Yeah, close it.
So, only super villain.
Yeah, squeeze some ketchup in there.
A some? Just some?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go closer to the pot so you can see inside. Go closer. Squeeze some, yeah. Look a bit more. Yeah, stop, stop, stop.
I
Stop.
have lots of ketchup.
Stop, stop.
It's my food.
Yeah, but stop. Yeah, close it up, put it back. I know it's your food, but may I teach you how to make it right.
But I want to have
Listen.
it. What I want.
What's my name? What is my name?
Your name?
Mary's Time Cooking.
No, your
Close
name.
it, close the fridge, close the fridge.
Your name is Morris Time. Morris Time Cooking.
Go.
You don't know how to make food yet. Make food yet.
Turn it down. Look. Turn it down so it don't burn. And let go.
How do you do that?
This will teach you that at the end of this step you don't ready for this one yet. It's levels. You have to take your time and learn. First of all, we have to learn first. Is not to run away. Don't stay too close because you don't want to burn you. But you have to you must see what's happening in the pan.
Welcome back to another Vlogmas. I think there's only 2 more days till the end of Vlogmas.
We're doing it, we're crushing it like.
Yeah, so we've been consistent. We've been doing good. I'm happy about that. So, thumbs up to us. So right now we're just prepping for the Christmas. Hot Chef, aka Adrian.
Too much. To me a zombie.
Yeah. So right now, Adrian's prepping to make the black cake, the rum cake, the Jamaican cake. You know what I mean. He's prepping for that. I'm gonna start tidying up the place. Jameer's playing, Ajari's sleeping. Speaking of Ajari, how do you guys like that video? Not how, I know you guys liked it. But if you didn't watch Ajari's face reveal, you should have by now. If you haven't, go check it out. It's really good. It's nice. It's cute. And you'll probably see Ajari in this vlog because now you guys are going to see more often. This, let me show you what's inside of it. That is the KFC spicy recipe. And I'm using this to make the fried chicken for Christmas. I'm excited. Look who it is. Look who it is. Hi. He just woke up. This is his face as soon as he wakes up. He's like, what is that? Literally every morning this is how he looks. He decides, Mommy, I don't want you to be cleaning. I want you to spend time with me. Is that what? Every time I'm ready to clean, he's like, he just starts crying. He starts making noise. Oh, you're vlogging? Wow. Okay, hold it. He's holding it. So what do you want to say? What else? Tell me more. You guys, he's actually holding the camera.
Alright, so if you realize what's been happening with the vlogs, I record that day. So I don't record the day before and then put it out. That's why sometimes you get these vlogs later on in the night, because I record my entire day. It can be stressful. It wasn't that stressful until 2 days ago when I had to record Ajari's face reveal. It took me, because I got the video last minute, I had to edit it. The night I went to bed like at 7 record, I'm editing that video. So I'm happy that you're loving the video. Happy that you're loving to see Ajari. And speaking of Ajari, he's right here. Let me turn the camera around. He's right here. Swinging in the kitchen, chilling with daddy. You know the vibes. Right, my son? You know the vibes. So he's just chilling with me right now. We're just getting some stuff done for the Christmas, right, Ajari? You know the vibes. The man is just a swing, you know. So yeah, I'm making 3 batch of fruit cake. One is a vegan version. The other is the regular version. So I'm making 2 batch of the regular fruit cake and 1 batch of a vegan fruit cake. We have all of the sugar and stuff over here. And over here now, I have some wee. Let me show you what's happening inside this pot. So Alisa is off to the supermarket just to get some stuff for me. So right now I have here, let me see if this light will give me some justice. All the aromas going on. This is for the sorrel. Just gonna throw some orange peel, but we ran out of oranges, so Alisa is grabbing me some oranges, and that's for that. Yeah, you smell fruitcake? I know you're gonna like fruitcake just like me and Jamir, you know. Yeah, Jamir come and he took over. Jamir came and he took over my love for fruitcake. Yes. So now you want to take over? We don't need a lot of that, right? We don't need a lot, right? We just need a little bit. Just a little bit goes a long way, right? Yes, my son. You know the joggings, you know. Just a little bit of that lime essence. Not too much, my son. Yes. So that's what we put there. That won't hurt. You like the sound of white rum? You like the sound of white rum? We making fruit cake, baby. It's gonna make some noise. Hold your ears. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Boom. Boom. Let's go. Low and slow. We're digging. Woo. Ajari, I can smell it, bro. I can smell it. Smells good. Whoa. Oven is already preheated. The oven is already preheated. We're going in, we're going in, we're going in. You look nice and comfortable, my son. Just come here, just come here. Take a look, people. Take a look. Look at this. Yes, I'm so come boss. Want to play that thing? Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is 2 years in the making, by the way. This has been here for 2 years. You see that? Pure gold. Wow. Pure gold. This fruit has been sitting for 2 years. Alright, my guy. I have to kind of have the baby far away from the mixer now, you know? Gotta do what you gotta do. Alyssa just stepped in. Did you get my stuff? Alright, see, like she got what I needed, so and she's gonna take a jar right now. Vegan ones are up and ready to go, right? Alright, when you're ready, this is what's happening right now. So as you can see right here, we have the vegan ones over there. You know what I say? And 2 vegans. And we're just gonna finish up this batch. Look how beautiful. This is the only sound I like to hear. This is just fruit, sugar, and butter. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Your ajari is even right now. So this is the second and last batch of cake for the year. You know what I say? I need a cup. Hold on. Yeah. Alright. See that smooth and pretty? Huh? Look how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Come closer, Alyssa. Come closer, come closer. It's not more time cooking where
I know, but I'm trying to do for more time TV too.
Yes.
But it's very hard. Okay, I can't see your face on some things.
Yeah.
Look how smooth that is.
Look at that. We're not gonna over mix the thing, you know. Alright, I'll jar your ball. You can go on to it. Beauty. Yes, no man. Yes. All right.
Oh, that smells so good. That's how it's supposed to smell. It smelled good before, but it smells even better now.
Girl.
Ajari was overtired.
Not sleep already?
So that's why, yeah, he was overtired. There's babies that are, yeah, a lot of people don't understand, like some people don't understand when it comes to sleeping, the importance of understanding cues. I learned that with Ajari. So like, I knew he was tired from time, but sometimes I just had to make him cry, like, cry and then fall asleep. Not full, like cry. Like cry for like 2 seconds and then fall asleep. Yeah. People are gonna ask if he's selling these. No.
I'm not selling. I'll make announcements whenever that time comes. But for right now, it's just for self and family, you know. As I said, once I start selling this, the recipe will no longer be available. The only way it will be available is in my cooking book. That's it. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10 cakes. So this is 10 cakes from 3 batch. Let's go. Gonna head out on the road, get a haircut because we're gonna do a little family photo shoot at home by ourselves. So I'm gonna head out right now. Go and fix my glasses because you remember my glasses, I sat on them the other day and they broke, right? So that's it. So Miss Joanne, Chin, Anso, Chubby, Jerry, Elena, Penny Kids, Nana, JP, Frankie, Sholo, cake forward. Alright, and there the sorrel is just seeping right now. Beautiful. Cake is in the oven, almost ready, and I just went to the Caribbean store, got a few stuff, got some oxtail and some goat. What else did I get? I think I got some grape nut ice cream, you know, grape nut ice cream. I also got breadfruit, that's for breakfast on Christmas morning, with some ackee. You'll see that still. No, you know what, we're not gonna record Christmas morning, we're just gonna do an opening gifts. So right now I'm gonna head down to Ajax, get my glasses fixed. As you saw, they got broken the other day, and gonna get a haircut. I just phoned my barber and he closes at 7. Right now it's 6 o'clock, so heading down there. Then I'm gonna grab a few stuff for Jamir as well. So yeah, I'll check back in when I'm in Ajax to try and get these glasses fixed. Hopefully they can fix them tonight. If not, I'd have to go back on next day. I know it's dark in here, so I'm gonna sign out right now and I'll be back in a few. Oh, and I still have to work out. So there you go. Hopefully Alice, I don't let my cakes burn. Signing out. So, I'm telling you one at the back now.
I'm gonna check.
Look one in my back, look at them already.
Yeah.
Alright, take out. So what that one there you can lift if you look a while?
Yeah.
Yeah, but take out the two at the back them.
So all three of these and these two.
Yeah. Alright, let me see the one at the bottom now. If you do it probably, just pull it out and see bottom on them, please.
They're wobbly.
Alright, me end stay. So them have they have half an hour to go basically.
This one's really wobbly.
Yeah, me end stay, half an hour.
Okay, I'll do it right now. I'll tell Siri to set the alarm.
Yeah, me call them done. Yeah, they come on. Just went to the Caribbean store and cracked myself one of these Jamaican bracelets. That is dealt with. I had to set my alarm because I have a few small cakes that I don't want to overbake. So yeah, that is it. Let me jump back in this store and go check on my glasses. Let's go. Hey, so everyone is asking me how many errands am I gonna run today. Quite a lot. As I said, I was home baking first and I still need to go work out. Just went to the barber shop and the barber is gonna be the barber is still going to, how you call it? Barber is a little bit busy, so let me go inside now. See what's happening, you know? Alright.
Oh, you're back.
Yes, I'm back.
I have bad news.
Bad news? Broke?
No, it didn't break, but it won't come down. I think when I go harder, it works down.
Oh, okay.
So I have a recommendation.
Yeah.
Now, usually that kind of physical damage is not covered, but what we can do, we can ship it to Gucci
Okay.
and ask them what they're gonna do. If
Oh,
they're gonna say, you know what, no problem, we'll cover it.
Yeah.
Then they'll replace you with a new one.
Oh.
But if you
Holy! Snowing, my boy! Woo-wee! Oh, lily. Snowing! Woo. Come on. Don't do me like that. So I won't be getting back my glasses until January, unfortunately. But you know what? It's for when I'm driving at night. I need it these times, as well as for when I am watching a movie or reading a book. So let's go to the barber shop and I'll check back in. Kind of look rusty still, you know? You see the hair grow back fast because it's not even been a week. Oh, just a little bit over a week. And I'm back to square one. I don't know in general I'm gonna get me right in idea, you know? Give you a view of what it looks like. So in a few minutes, let's go.
Vacation home / vacation home. Find yours on the Verbo app.
Clean up. Look at this. This is Canada. I just went in the barber shop, came out, and I'm covered. Look at this. Car is almost fully covered. Let's go. Going to the gym. It's raining and it's snowing, so by the time I wake up tomorrow, there's gonna be a lot of snow on the ground. And I know you may be wondering, Adrian, why are you driving and recording? I'm going very slow. We're on the highway. I'm about to go to the gym right now, so I'll catch back up with you. Shoulders and arms today. How I make these videos, I don't make a video the previous day. I record the current day, so sometimes I get the vlogs a little bit late. So right now it's almost 9. So by 10 I should be out. I do not like to go to the gym this late, but I'm just gonna get a little workout in, go home, get this video out for you. So if I end the video here, I just want to say thank you for rocking with us throughout the entire Vlogmas. Look out for more better content to come and a lot more content. So thank you very much again for the love and the support. Just enjoy this little short snippet of my workout, and I'm going to get in, show you what the cakes look like. Show you what the cakes look like if Alyssa didn't do so as already. Alright, so quick workout, shoulder and arms day. Let's go. And I'm back inside, and I came to this beautiful cake. Most likely Alyssa has already recorded her doing it, but you know I have to give it another touch up. Fruit cake. Give it another spray. I know Alyssa already did this, but I have to give it some more love, you know. Love it up, lovely. They look so nice.
Thanks, compliments to me.
Compliments to the chef who take them out of the oven.
Compliments to the person who kept eye on it.
Compliments to the person who set a timer.
Compliments to the person who told you to make it.
Compliments to the person who has the recipe.
Compliments to the person that...
You know, nothing to say. You don't have nothing to say. But yeah, look at that. Beautiful cakes. This one kind of sunk a little bit. This is a vegan one. And these are the regular ones, looking oh so lovely. Alright, and Alyssa have over here, she's seasoning up the oxtail. I got it from the Caribbean store, but for some reason they don't like when you record inside, so I couldn't show you.
Nope, but that doesn't make any sense because I seen them have ads on Facebook the other day.
And then they like nobody record. Well, it's whatever.
Like, whatever.
That's their loss. So Alyssa seasoned up the oxtail nicely.
Yeah, so I did the oxtail. I have curry goat seasoned up. I don't understand why you have more oxtail than curry goat.
Cause never too the goat. I don't know. For some reason, goat bony. I'm gonna.
Oh, okay. That's
why. Oxtail look better. My goat alone. I was gonna just get goat, but I said no.
Okay. So I was like, you know, I love my curry, so why would you get less goat? Yeah. Whatever. So you know, when we're making food, I get more curry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
And then jerk chicken, that are fried chicken.
No, fried.
I put them big onion in there.
It's not even onion, it's garlic. I just put a little piece.
Do that next time.
I know, I just wanted to put a little
or you have a scotch bonnet mix already. So yeah, so fried chicken. And you see the funniest thing, what I think people don't understand when it comes on to me. Yes, I am a chef and I have all these videos out on YouTube, but my Christmas are always just simple. Yeah. I don't go out and just cook a bunch of food. You think that my table look crazy. It's just us. And you'd say, oh, so why don't invite family over? Our place is not that big. Sometimes. But our place is not that big.
Not this year.
We don't want to cook.
Last year my sisters came over. So, and even still.
No, once your mom is not in, once Alyssa's mom is not in Canada, because she normally cook for her household. Yeah. But if she's not in Canada, we usually invite Alyssa's sisters over and just cook for them. Yeah. But once her mom is here, then we just cook for ourselves. And yeah, we do the baking for them. And then we just cook 2 to 3 meat. See, we have 3 meat and that's it. And just some rice and gungo and macaroni pie and probably some raw veg salad and sorrel and cake. The most thing I look forward to is the cake. That's it for me, you know. We don't go all out and do like 10 different stuff. Probably in the future we have like a bigger place and we have both sides of the family together, then we just go all out and we'll cook.
Listen, I'm gonna say,
We don't want to spend the day just cooking, you know.
big up to the people who actually go all out and make a whole, like,
I can do that, but I want to enjoy the moment
for the Christmas and
for the
holidays.
family, yeah.
People who do
It's
that,
a lot of work, bro.
thumbs up to you guys because it's a lot of work. I'm here just seasoning.
Cooking is a lot of work.
I'm here seasoning me. I'm just like, oh.
Yep.
Comment below what you guys are cooking for Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
And who's cooking? Is it you? Are you going over to someone's house? What is it?
Yep.
Or are you just
Or
chilling?
people just, you're
Or
gonna
you just
order.
chilling?
Cause some people do catering from restaurants and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna log off right now and complete this vlog. So Jamie is over there on my computer as per usual. What are you doing?
Download something.
Huh?
Trying to download something.
Don't download anything on my laptop.
I knew you would say
And then
that.
Ajar is over there sleeping in his little bundle of nest, or his little nest. Yeah.
Not nest.
Before I go, I hope nothing but the best for you and your family, and I hope God may bless you to have meals on your table. And just, even if you don't have a variety of food, it's okay. Once God bless you with a roof over your head and just something warm in your stomach this Christmas, and you have your family, it's just a blessing. And for anybody going through grief and stuff, we send our warmest prayers out to you, and just hope that something magical and special will happen in your life for this Christmas. Thank you for sticking with us through this entire Vlogmas, and I wish you and your family nothing but the best. It's not all about just the gifts and the food, but just to see your family happy and joyful and up and running. And for those who are mourning, I understand your pain. I lost my dad this time around at Christmas time, so I know that feeling. You know what I say? So take care of yourself, man, and just stay safe. Love who love you, and still love who hate you, and just walk good. You see?
For sure.
And remember, until tomorrow, Christmas Eve, thank you very much for watching. And do remember, when you come here,
What you
see here,
what you hear here,
before you leave here,
comment, like, subscribe.
why
It's
I
like
always
comment. It's supposed to
you
be
like first, then you comment, and you subscribe,
Touch it.
and then you share. So when you come here, what you see here, what you hear here, before you leave here, like,
comment,
subscribe.
and share.
Until next time, safe travel on the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
You have to work